Are you a pencil artist and you're using your white charcoal pencil for your white paper? You need to do two things. Stop using your white charcoal pencil for your white paper and finish watching this video. Hello friends, welcome to Blinks Art and welcome to today's tips, tricks and technique. Are you a pencil artist? You use white charcoal pencil on your white paper. Maybe you are okay with the feel you are getting, or maybe you are just not too satisfied with the fact that it appears a little bit milkish on your paper, but you are not too worried, but you're kind of confused why a company will produce something that appears so milkish in appearance. If all this is true about you, you are using the right tool for the wrong purpose. If this is shocking to you, you might want to hear the rest of it. Your white charcoal pencil is specifically designed to help you draw on a mid-tone paper, 50% white, 50% black, grayscale paper, or any kind of paper that has a lesser value than this, that is a lesser highlight than what we have here. Anything brighter or equal to this, it's going to kind of appear milkish in appearance like what I previously mentioned. So if you're using a white charcoal pencil for your white paper, you need to stop and start using your paper white, using your Tombow Mono eraser, using whichever eraser to get your white, rather than using this to get your white, because it's not really going to give you the best of you. Go get a mid-tone paper or a complete grayscale paper and enjoy the original function of your white charcoal pencil. It's a really nice tool to work with if rightly applied. So if you're enjoying this so far, click the like button, click the subscribe button, ring all the bells so you don't miss any of our tips, tricks and techniques when we release them. I'm Bill Blinks and this is Blinks Art. Keep creating.